All right, how to get the A2P-10-DLC compliant actually done? Let's start. Let's start this process. The first thing you have to do is you gotta go to the phone number. You go to settings. You just go to phone number right here. Phone numbers. This client just had their phone number ported. I actually did this, but sometimes you gotta go through this twice. Which actually it really sucks, but you gotta do it. So you come here and it tells you your HTTP 10DLC registration is incomplete. Please complete the registration to send SMS. Because without this, it's not you can't send SMS the uh, the phone company is just not going to send you a message through. All right. So this is a process that you go through. So you go to the Trust Center. As you can see, I've already done this once, so the brand itself was approved. All right, but the campaign to send text is not, and this only applies to businesses in the United States. Okay, so you create the campaign. This is going to be a low volume, which is recommended. You don't want to tell them that you a huge realistic company is going to be blasting people with text. Initially, you just want to go low volume, and that applies for most local businesses. So here are the examples that make it easy for the kind of campaign that you're going to use the SMS for. And here you can say this campaign will be, well, whichever, let me move my head, whichever one of these satisfy the case. Usually I just pick one. I pick the easiest, lowest hanging fruit. This campaign will be used to reach out to customers who sign up for updates. Excuse me. So you come here and you just paste that. Okay, there you go. So that's fatality worldwide clients. Okay, that's very interesting. That's very interesting. Let me see. This campaign will be used to reach out to customers to sign up for updates. And then it starts right here. This campaign will be used for Southern hospitality. This is interesting. Let me see. Maybe something was in the clipboard that just manifested. So I would just go here and put this here for now. Oh, okay. So come back here. The reason why that happened, let me stop this. Let me pause. Okay, we back. The reason why I had to stop is because I showed you this example. These are the three examples that you can potentially put in here. But usually you will copy it and paste it and replace the company with the actual company, Southern Hospitality, right here. And it replaced the phone number with the actual phone number. All right. And then most of the times what I do, as you would see, is, hey, John, this is Henry. I use the business owner's name right here from Southern Hospitality and use the name Southern Hospitality and their phone number that they have on their website, because this system will cross reference and make sure all of these are accurate and that the business is legit before they move forward. Okay, so that's what you do. But what this system does is that gives you the ability to look here and then see what's what, and use one of these templates and just fill in the blanks. For example, I use this one. This campaign will be used by a company. And put the company name right here, Southern Hospitality. That's what I use. for messages. So all I did with this one is that I changed the placeholder to the name of the company. All right. And then you do the same thing because these are the examples. And you just do that. And then after that, the next thing you do is you check. Usually it will be these two boxes you want to check because here this message includes each gated content. No, it doesn't. It include direct lending or loan arrangement. No, it doesn't. So you do not. You stay away from these. All right, because these are the high risk industries that require. Oftentimes they require more scrutiny. Right. Okay. So we go to the next. Okay. So why is it not moving? Oh, acknowledge. So you gotta acknowledge. You gotta come that the acknowledgement say acknowledge brand and campaign registration one time fee of 24.47. All right. So this is as a matter of fact, I need a screenshot of this because this is a one time payment. All right. And it tells you additional campaign will cost $11 per month. And it would apply to, I gotta get some clarification on some of these numbers. Oftentimes when I get here, I just do it. And all of this has nothing to do with TCH. This has to do with the telephone companies. All right. So read this very carefully and move forward. Oftentimes I just do it because that 24.97 or $25, the benefits of having an SMS ability to reach out to your customers and follow up and all that stuff is so disproportionate that it really doesn't matter. So it says it's in progress. That's interesting. So all it wanted me to do is to resubmit something that I've already submitted. It's just very interesting. In progress. So we're gonna wait. You say this is what happens, right? There's been situations that I've been asked to upload the EIN number, which I've actually done with this. I've actually done that earlier, but then you're also being asked to upload the driver's license front and back of the owner of the business. But I was not asked to do this in this situation. But there's another business that we went through the compliance, and I literally had to tell him to take a picture of his ID from the back and upload it to move forward. That's my time. I just want to show you really quickly how to do A2P-10 DLC. Thank you. Bye.